Good morning everyone. Today I will be presenting my Hangman game implementation. The goal of this project is to demonstrate my abilities to plan, execute and evaluate a program that showcases my programming skills at a high distinction level. So first of all, let me show you the output of my project. So we have the rules here. We have some limited number of guesses, that is 3, and if we guess all wrong, then the man hanged and we loses. So we have to enter go to start the game. Then you have to guess a letter. Let's it be A. And yes, we have something. Oh, it's a banana. So it's and N. And you won, congratulations. Let's do one in which we are going to lose intentionally to check the layout of the game. Let it be F, H, nothing, A, oh there is a A, C, and V loses. Game over, the man is hanged. So this is the output of the game. Now I'm going towards the code of our program. So first of all, we have this just defines the maximum number of incorrect guesses allowed. So obviously I've told you before, so there are 3 maximum incorrect guesses. If we do incorrect guesses more than 3, then we loses the game. Then we have a structure to represent the game structure. We have the selected word, which is going to be from this list: apple, banana, cherry, grapes, orange. I have chosen all the fruit names. Then I have done the array to hold the correct words. This is the array. Then the word entered, array to hold the player's guessed word, then the word length, and then the number of incorrect guesses made. Then I have this function to display the hangman's state or the incorrect guesses. So this is compulsory. Then if I have one incorrect guess, this draws at 2 this and at 3 this, the complete hangman person. Then I have the function to initialize the game, in which I have the first array, in which I have these 5 words I have chosen at random. Then these are number words. This means that I have given 5 words. Then I have selected a random word from the list using this RND function. So I have chosen a random word from this list using this RND function. Then I have called this hangman game struct here, so that I could give the word, the selected word. I can store the selected word here and can then store the length of the selected word in this, and then store the incorrect guesses as 0. Then I have used this for loop to initialize the words from this with the selected word, and then I have to with the word entered with underscore. Then I have called this for loop. Then I have this function to check and update the guessed word. First of all, I have done have made this boolean guess correct is equals to false. Then I have made this for if loop to check if the guessed letter is in the word. If it is equals to the guessed whatever the user entered, then it comes as true. Then to display the words, now this is to display the word. We can write the whole word entered, or we can add spaces between the word. Because we are using array, so we have to use for loop again and again. Then this is another function. This function is to check if the player has guessed the whole word, because if has guessed the whole word, then he wins. Then I have this main function in which we have called the struct first of all. Then we have written some rules. Then we have said that if you want to start the game, enter go. Then we have number of attempts. This is equals to the guesses as well. Then we have this while loop. This while loop starts until we have guessed the whole word, or we have completed we have the maximum of incorrect guesses. So we have to guess a letter. Then we have used the read line for the user to enter the guessed letter. then we have called this guess correct function. Then we have shown that if guess correct is false, then the number of incorrect guesses increases, and wrong guess as it's a correct guess. Then we have to display the word. If we have guessed all, then we have to display that word, so we've called that function. Then the hangman function to make the hangman, and then if the whole, this is the whole function we have called above, in which we checks if the whole word is entered. So if the whole word is entered, you write you won, congratulations, otherwise game over and the man is hanged. And this is the end of the code. Let's do the implementation one more time because it's obviously. Let's write code. We have to, let's put it on this and we can enter email. Also no, I'm keeping waiting. One more time, this is last. Hello, I'm using card first. It's maybe cherry. What is?